Welcome to Rise to the Sun. This is a how-to video to show you how to put music onto your motorcycle really affordably and really fast. And then we move it. Welcome back to Ride to the Sun. First, let me say this is not a sponsored video. Bose is not paying me to do this. This is just me wanting to share this with you because I've used it and it works fine for me. This video we're making is about the Bose Sound Length Flex for your motorcycle. For a quick up and around town, or if you want to leave it on, do just that. So this is a quick how-to and an easy way to put music on your bike. And for that demonstration, let me play some YouTube safe music just for you. Not bad. Now here you can still hear it if I turn the bike on.